In this video, you will learn how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. First, check. Make sure to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure your internet connection is stable. Try restarting your router or turning airplane mode off and on. Restart Snapchat. Fully close the app and reopen it. This will fix small time glitches. Clear Snapchat cache. Go to Snapchat, then Profile, then click on Settings. Scroll down and tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear All, then restart the app. Update Snapchat. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat, then tap Update if available. Log out and log back in. Go to Settings and log out. This will then sign you back in, and now you should be able to upload media with no problem in Snapchat. Restart your phone. If none of them work, a simple reboot can resolve any app or system bugs. Now you know how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.